Hey trendsetters, welcome back to my channel. So today I am showing you all how I do my invisible locks. So this is my lovely client and she is wanting to do a peekaboo look for her birthday. And as you can see, I am just taking that jam and I am sectioning off her section very nice and neat. And then on that bottom row, I'm going to take like I'm going to make like subsections and then smaller sections so that I can flat twist starting off those invisible locks. So you definitely going to need clips, a parting comb so that you can get precise parting. And as I am doing this, as you can see, I'm going to take it as I'm taking that and putting it into subsections. Then I'm going to take it out and split it right down the middle. And as I'm doing it, I'm going to flat twist it going towards the right, which is like counterclockwise. And then I'm going to take that pink Afro Outre spring twist hair and I am going to conceal it into those two flat twists that I just made. And make sure you take your jam so that you can conceal it within the hair so that her hair isn't sticking out. And pretty much I'm going to do this the entire time. I don't want to talk too much, but it's very simple. So yeah, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will talk to you soon. Trendsetters, love you. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.
I gotta pray, yeah. There ain't no other way that I'd rather start my day, Cause without you I start doubting myself. And I realize I just need your help. And all I want is to get better. I tried to do what I wanted, it only left me fed up. And I used to think that it was my way or the highway. Now I know that it's not about me, it's all about Yahweh. Yahweh, I admit that I was wrong and now I'm coming to you with my hands up. Hands up, yeah. All I'm asking is that you will come and put some living water in my cup. Yeah. Saying, Holy Spirit, fill me up, cause I had enough. Holy Spirit, fill me up. Holy Spirit, fill me up, cause I had enough. Holy Spirit, fill me up. And my cup runneth over. Many times you tell me over and over that my prayer was too high, it had to be lower. You've been teaching me about true faith, now I'm trying to get a new. Yeah, but I really don't even trust myself. All I want is to get closer to you. And many times I have problems understanding your glory. But how can I have faith in you and at the same time worry? Yeah, but I need you now. I need you now. I admit that I was wrong and now I'm coming to you with my hands up. And all I'm asking is that you will come and put some living water in my cup. Put it in my cup, yeah. Holy Spirit, fill me up, cause I had enough. Holy Spirit, fill me up. And it's about time I gave it to you. And it's about time I do all the things that you want me to do. And it's about time I gave it to you. And it's about time I do all the things you want me to do. It's long overdue, do. Yeah. And it's time to do it your way now. Holy Spirit, fill me up, cause I had enough. Holy Spirit, fill me up. Holy Spirit, fill me up, cause I had enough. Holy Spirit, fill me up. see the day when you stood right there. Oh, I know I wanna be the next to you.
I stay anxious for nothing, but I don't wanna wait till there's nothing left. I don't wanna stay here and be left behind. I wanna make it. I stay busy thinking about you. I'm focused on following you, 'cause you said you're coming soon. Coming like a thief in the night, yeah, yeah. Turn the relief into light, yeah, yeah. I look at how you paid the price when you gave your life so I could have mine. So I'ma do what you say, and I pray I can walk in your ways. I'm so grateful for you and your grace. God forbid I ever trip and be led astray. No way.
I don't wanna wait for the moonlight, yeah. So I'm running all the way right back to you, yeah, yeah. I wanna see the day when you stood right there. Oh, I know I wanna be the next to you. I've been getting tired of this old place. Make me wanna go back to my old ways, no. Sin that put me down until the Lord came. Focus on the Lord until the Lord's day. I don't wanna wait until the moonlight, yeah. Suffered and he died is for this new life. Looking for the light, running from the darkness. It wasn't for me, no, sin wasn't for me. I wanna be holy, but it wasn't for free. He gave his life for me, gave his life for me, and we should be thinking it over. My cup running over. Stay focused on the moonlight. Don't lose focus, just hold tight. I don't wanna wait for the moonlight, yeah. So I'm running all the way right back to you, yeah, yeah. I wanna see the day when you stood right there. Oh, I know I wanna be the next to you. I don't wanna wait for the moonlight, yeah. So I'm running all the way right back to you, yeah, yeah. I wanna see the day when you stood right there. Oh, I know I wanna be the next to you.
That's Hunter.
Stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has